Today's weather forecast, a little cold. So, what do you say we go with the salad? What do I have on this baby? Check it out. Oops. Lettuce. I've got some shredded regular lettuce. I've got some butter lettuce, the shredded iceberg lettuce, that's the word I was trying to say. And we got spinach. And I chopped it all up, and there's some kind of rhyme there probably. And this is where it gets really fun. I had some salami, so I threw that in there. And some cheese, shredded cheese, and mushrooms, and some mirepoix, Persian cucumber. There's a piece there. Look at that, yummy. I like Persian cucumber. It's doesn't need peeled or anything, and they're small, and they go really good in a salad. What else? Mushrooms. Got some mushrooms chopped up in here. So that's the base. And the fun part, sounds a little crazy, but try a little bit of, just a little bit. I already put some in. I'm not going to add much salt, because I thought, why, I should film this while I'm putting on red hot. Also, something that works is sriracha, but I like the red hot, and something I add on just about anything and everything these days. I don't know why. I really like these Trader Joe's Hatch chili flakes. They're not spicy, at least not to me. Then again, I put sriracha powder on my salad, so don't believe what I say. I really like it though. And these seasonings are what really helps make a salad a salad. Green Goddess, another winner. And let's see what else. Yes, for a little bit of extra flavor, let's add some ranch seasoning blend. Let's see if I can get the top off with one hand. Ooh, smells good. Smell that. Smell that. Ooh, just a little. So you don't even need ranch dressing now. Just sprinkle that on there, and it is good. And of course, some pepper. Regular pepper will work in a pinch. Okay, shred. I can't do that with one hand. So we'll pretend I sprinkled pepper on there. This is my secret recipe. Picked up the idea from Columbia Restaurant in Florida. They have the best salads I've ever eaten. Yes, it sounds crazy, and it may be crazy, but just gives it a nice little tang. And they make the salads right there at your table if you're special anyway. And you don't have to have dressing, or much dressing. You can add any kind of dressing really at this point. The flavors and everything that's already in there. But we'll add a little bit of ranch. Don't want to go too crazy because this is where the fat and calories are. So, that's it. Then we mix it up real good, shake it all up, and that's what it's all about. Anyway, oh yeah, a chop. Hold on. Chop it with a mozzarella. It's these things are great. You should get one. Every kitchen should have one. We have 2 or 3 now. That gives you that fine chop, so you get a little bit of everything flavor in every bite. Or a regular salad, you stab your lettuce, and you get the lettuce, and oh yeah, croutons. I may throw a few croutons on. But you get whatever you stick your fork into. Here, every scoop is just full of lettuce and spinach and everything else. It's yummy. And now I'm really hungry. And this was just to prove that I don't always eat a hamburger or a hot dog or something on the griddle. This is actually my main lunch every day. A nice, healthy salad with lots of fatty stuff. No. It's actually not that bad as long as you don't go overboard with the cheese. I did add a little too much cheese probably, and the dressing. So I'm gonna go eat. Oh, what's my other thing? If you need protein, toss an egg in there. Hard-boiled egg. You can get them at the grocery in a bag. And just even half of an egg will give you some protein, or avocado will give you some extra nutrients. A lot of fat and calories, but it's healthy fat. That's what I keep telling myself. So I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.